for the PBMA Weekly Update, hosted by Mrs. Cooper.
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of April 11th, 2025. Here are some upcoming events. Kindergarten Cap and Gown Picture Day is on April 16th. Astro Skate Night is this Thursday night. Skate Night is Thursday, April 17th at 6 o'clock p.m. Skate Night is $11 per person. Astro Skate is located at 3100 Jog Road in Greenacres. The next day, April 18th, is a spring holiday. The week of April 21st will be a buy one, get one free at the book fair at the elementary campus. This is a great opportunity to buy summer reading books. Buy one, get one free. Only students with money or an e-wallet will be able to attend the fair. Details have been emailed home to parents, and I will email them home again. There will also be a parent night at the book fair. That will be Tuesday, April 22nd from 3 o'clock until 6:30 p.m. And we will need parent volunteers at the book fair. Please let me know if you're able to help out. Tuesday, April 22nd at 5:30 p.m. is Kindergarten Roundup for all of next year's kindergartners. This event is a wonderful orientation into kindergarten. Teacher Appreciation Week is coming. Teacher Appreciation Week is Monday, May 5th until Friday, May 9th. If you would like to contribute, please give an envelope to either front desk for me or Mr. Andropont. We will show our teachers love with breakfast, lunches, and special surprises. Saturday, May 10th is our junior-senior prom at the West Palm Marriott. Senior graduation is May 20th, and middle school moving up is May 28th. Both are at 6 o'clock p.m., and both are at Santa Lucia's High School. May 22nd is the 8th grade moving up celebration trip to Rapids Water Park. Permission slips are available at the front office.
And here is a word from our administration.
Hi, PBMA families. It's Mrs. Smith, your elementary school principal. It's been another busy and productive week here at the Maritime. Next week, all students in kindergarten through 5th grade will be taking their reading and math iReady diagnostics, except for our 3rd graders will not be taking their reading. Please have a talk with your child how important this assessment is and make sure they are ready to learn. Thank you.
It's time to dive in with Andropont and meet the shark crew.
Thanks, guys. This week, I just want to talk about high school graduation and 8th grade moving up ceremony. Seniors, please take care of your business because the end is near, very near. Pay those dues, pay whatever fees you need so that the last few weeks of school can be smooth sailing. I think right now you have prom payments and one or two other deadlines, but prom for sure. So take care of that. The other thing, 8th grade students, I sent an email out requesting pictures for you for the ceremony. I've only received maybe 2 or 3 students' pictures to date. So please talk to your people so that they can submit the pictures, because on moving up ceremony day, I don't want to hear after the ceremony, where was Johnny or where was Jane on the video, if Johnny and Jane's parents or legal guardians didn't take the time to send the pictures in. Also, 8th grade students, your field trip is coming up, so please get your permission slips and pay for those. I'll see you next week for another Dive In with Andropont and Meet the Shark Crew.
This week in STEM, kindergarten and 1st graders learned about gravity by building the strongest and highest tower they could using various materials. 2nd through 4th graders continued building the weightlifting machine using Legos. 5th graders completed a science review on matter and mixtures using Jeopardy questions. In elementary art, the students are creating Earth Day projects. Kindergarten and 1st grade decorated flower pots and planted wildflowers. 2nd graders reused paper towel rollers along with dry rice and beans to create rain sticks. 3rd and 4th grade upcycled milk cartons to create bird feeders. Fifth grade is working on making Earth Day awareness posters to put around the school. Sandaway Discovery House created a program that targets Florida science standards. We were lucky enough to be one of 4 recipients in the county to receive this program for our students. Miss Suzanne came to PBMA and presented a live flower dissection with the students after working with plant models. During the dissection, students were able to identify parts of the plant. Then the students got to meet a new friend, Monty the Python. Our high school students were transported into the mind of Leonardo da Vinci during a trip to the South Florida PBS studios. This immersive art experience allowed the students to observe his work and experience his genius through a wide variety of interactive and engaging elements. This experience taught the students about several of Da Vinci's creations, including the Mona Lisa, the Little Madonna, and the Virgin of the Rocks, just to name a few. All of this was projected onto floor-to-ceiling screens to bring Da Vinci's works to life, which allowed the students to interact, dance, and have fun with touchscreens while they explored the life of Da Vinci. What a terrific experience.
Coach Storkel here. The girls' flag football team lost their first game on Wednesday, 24-6. Selena Aragundi scored the game's only touchdown. The Sharks will look to rebound in their next game at home versus Slam on April 30th. Let's go, Sharks. Here is the updated girls' flag football schedule. Please come support our Sharks.
Get ready for PBMA Summer Camp 2025. This June, we're making waves with a month full of fun, sun, and water-themed adventures your kids will love. Each week, campers will enjoy exciting field trips to places like Calypso Bay Water Park, MacArthur Beach, Palm Beach Zoo, Fun Depot, and a live performance of Moana Jr. at the Delray Beach Playhouse. They'll also take part in weekly activities like the Flippany Cooking Program, Digital Vibes, Kids Jamathon, Astro Skate, and Classic Summer Play at Prince Park, plus even more surprises. We know summer schedules can be tricky, so we offer flexible options for every family. Sign up for our full 8-week program for $1,500, which includes all field trips, breakfast, lunch, and snacks. Pay in full by June 2nd to waive the $55 registration fee. If you only need a few weeks, our weekly plan is $200 per week and includes meals and trips. Note, ELC must pay separately for field trips. For families doing summer school, we offer drop-in plans. Monday, Thursday plus full day Friday is $100 per week. Monday, Thursday only is $60 per week. Daily aftercare is $25 per day. And full day drop-ins are $50 per day. A $55 registration fee per family is due before camp starts unless waived. We're looking forward to an unforgettable summer filled with laughter, learning, and new adventures. If you have any questions or need help with registration, we're here for you. Thanks for being part of our summer family. We'll see you at camp.
And finally, here are pictures of our first graders having a great time at Delray Children's Garden. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.